Alright guys, this is White Noise Online, and after the oh god, the only clue that each of these caves have in common are mysteries, tape recorders scattered close to the last place where the victims were seen alive. Those tapes only dude, stop, shut up, dude. Oh god, and this is White Noise Online, guys. Oh god, I'm scared as hell. Let's play on normal for you guys. So let's choose this guy. I know. Alright guys, and this is oh god guys, this is creepy as hell. You guys see this really good? I wonder if you guys can see really good. Yeah, you guys can see it. Slender! I mean, not Slender. Why did I say Slender? White Noise, where are you? White Noise, we're okay. Never mind, I don't want to know. Oh god, Green Rock, guys, run! Guys, if you play this game, whatever you do, stay away from the Green Rock. Yeah, dude. Guys, I don't like this. So I got my first tape, guys. Oh god, there he is, guys. Don't turn that way. Don't look that way, guys. Run. Guys, I'm sorry, offbeats. I'm in harm. I don't care. Oh god, he's still there, guys. Is he still there? Oh god, guys. No, there's a tunnel. How? Yes. Oh god, guys, he's right there. Guys, for some reason, this isn't as creepy as. Is he right there still? Where'd he go? Oh god, yes, he's still there. Guys, Green Rock. Guys, where is he? Where is he, guys? Run! I can't see him. I don't know. I don't want to know where he is. Guys, run, guys! You gotta run. Oh god, I can't run. Ring that he is British. Where'd he go, guys? Is he still there? Dude, one tape changes the whole game, doesn't it? It doesn't look scary in the cover, does it? Why? What happens when you find all 8 tapes? Guys, is he out there? He's right behind me, isn't he, guys? Oh, you know what? God! Alright, guys, so that was the video, and just to let you guys know, this is what I actually look like. What is up, guys? This is Offbeat, and that game was freaking scary as F. See you guys later. Peace out.